Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How to separate a file name from a URL? It's straightforward. Here is the formula. And as I've explained previously, the way this works is we're going to use the right. What we're going to do is first, we're going to look for and count characters. The way this works is we're going to look at this entire range here, characters. We're going to count the entire range. And then what we're going to try to do is count all and then subtract from, in this case, we're going to substitute this / with this asterisk. All we're trying to do is add this total set of characters, and then we're going to subtract from a set point. Here it's from the stars. What it will do is then remove the HTTPS / / How does it work? Go in here. I've explained this in the past. Escape. Go up here, go to text, number of characters. F9 is going to say 11, and B4 says write. We're going to count 11 over and then get rid of everything after the 11th character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That would be the first W, and then we remove it. My suggestion now, this is probably the fourth example I've explained. It's up to you now to start working through this, break this apart, go through and evaluate the formula and the functions and work it out. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.